learners. Welcome to SWAYAM Online's lecture series on the topic Database Management System. I am Professor Muhammad Ubaidullah Bukhari, working as a professor in the Department of Computer Science, Aligarh Muslim University. Today, I want to discuss with you about the SQL statement in detail. So get ready to understand the crucial statement of SQL to enhance your database skill with me. In the previous lecture, we have discussed select the top clause, between operators, aggregate functions, the count, and find maximum or minimum of item, the sum, average, and SQL case expression. Before going to today's agenda, I would like to answer of the question which I had given you in the last lecture. The first question was, find the maximum sell price in the product master table. The answer is select by using max command, max sell price as max sell price from product master. It will display a maximum sell price. I have used the ls also. The second question was, find the sum of the cost price in product master table. I hope already you have practiced this query, but I am giving the expression what the query was. How you write query? Select sum, within parentheses you have to write cost price as total cost price from product master. The third question was, find the average of cost price in product master table. Average, I have already explained that. Select average cost price as cost price from product master. The fourth question was, find the minimum sell price in the product master table. What will do? You have to write select min sell price as min sell price from product master. It is very easy. The last question what I have given you, find the total profit of the item in the product master. For that you have to write select product ID. You have to find the profit. So how you will find the profit? You have to subtract cost price from the sell price, then you are able to find the. So here I write select product ID, within bracket select sell price minus cost price as a total profit from product master. The agenda of today is to be discussed is in operator, not in operator, select ASCII value for the first letter of the name, select length of the string. Suppose a string, it means suppose you write a string is a collection of characters. Suppose you want to write address ADRD like that. Suppose name NAME. It means we can say that for suppose the person is new, he is very new, so he can understand that for a string is a collection of related characters for particular attributes or columns. Concatenate CT and state for a client master. You can concatenate two CT and state from client master. You can concatenate also two strings. To a string you can concatenate also. Next, we will discuss about convert into lowercase. Suppose you have typed uppercase. Uppercase, it means capital. This is called uppercase. Convert. If you have typed lower, it means a small a, b, c, d. You want to convert a capital A, B, C, D. So what you write? Convert into uppercase. Convert into lowercase. From upper to lower, lower to upper. And select from 3 characters from the name. Suppose you want to find the three characters from the name. Suppose Muhammad, you want to know Muhammad, M-O-H-A-D. Only 3 characters. This will be very useful for make a user's name. Suppose you registered on the portals, whatever the portal, the website also will provide you a user's name on. What will this command is used for? It will take the 3 character, and for the name it will take 3 character, and then by using that it will concatenate to a string, and then it will provide you a user's name. Select length of a string of state. Replace is used to replace SQL to HTML. Replace HTML. Reverse the name. If you want to reverse the name, compare to a string. I will discuss. And the last, starting substring of a length from a position 5. Suppose my name is Ubaidullah. So database management, database system. There are 9 character database. You want to know, I want to know about the only from 5 position. Database. It will start from base. If you like, position from 5 position base. It will show the base. So let's take one by one. The first operator is in. The in operator allows you to specify multiple values in a where clause. Or we can say that in operator is a shorthand for multiple or conditions. The condition or this. So it will show like that. The command syntax is like select a star from column name in, within the bracket you have to write the value. Okay. Here I have typed you can type select a star from the client master where city in, within bracket you have to write Bombay and Madras. If you want to know, I want only 2 column only, you have to write select name and city. But here I have taken an example of all the attributes. So select a star from client master where city in Mumbai and Madras. When you press, it will show the records of Bombay and only Madras, who belongs the city Bombay and Madras, and discarded the other city name. So in operator, it will be here the 4 city. It contains the Mumbai, Madras, Bombay and Madras. Next is not in. Suppose you want, by using the not in, not keyword is in front of the in, you have to add. You return all the records that are not any of the values in the list. Suppose you want negate answer. For that, the command syntax is that select from the table name where column name not in value. Same, only here before it was in, you have to not negate not. When you write a statement like that, select a star from the client master where city not in, within bracket you are to Bombay and Madras. It means it will not display the tuples which attributes contain Bombay and Madras. It means it will leave and give the other value is like that. You can see on the result Bangalore and Mangalore only. It will remove all the attributes which contain the city Bombay and Madras. It will remove, it will display only Bangalore. Only two rows will be displayed. Select ASCII value for the first letter of the name. Suppose you want ASCII value. So you have to write ASCII within bracket. ASCII function in SQL is used to return ASCII code value of the leftmost character of the string expression. When you write ASCII, the leftmost character, you will write, okay. If you write name, whatever, the first character name you will take. Select ASCII name as num code of first character from the table name. That you have to write a statement like that. SQL ASCII within bracket name, it means the attributes name you want, as num code of first character from the client master. It will display like the num code of first character 73, 77, 67, whatever. On the 6 rows are there, 6 names are there in the client master. The first character, ASCII character, depending on that, it will display. Then you want to select the length of a string. What is the length of a string? The length string function in SQL is used to return the number of characters in a string expression. It is commonly used to determine the length of the string. A string, I have told, suppose the database, you have tried. What is the length of the database? When you write, it will show the 9, whatever. So like here, I'm taking example of a city. In the database, the city is Bombay, Bangalore, this one Karnataka, Tamil Nadu. This will, yeah, you can say cities, Bangalore, Mysore, and it will show the length of the dat. The command syntax, you have to write select, char length, column name, you have to define the column name, character length, column name as length of string from the table name. The MySQL, you have to type select, char length, within bracket, you have to write a city. Here, I want to know the length of the city attributes as length of a string from client master. When you will press, it will display like length of a string 666969. Depending on the length of the city, it will display. Select length of the string of the state. Before was for the city, here I'll take an example for the state. You have to write select length state as length of a string from client master. Already client master I have used as a table. So the result will be like that. Length of a string is 11, 10, 11, 9, 11 and 9 for the state. Do practice by using the length string of a name, address, you can say state, whatever. For practice as a home assignment, you can do yourself. But the command syntax will be same as select length. You have to define the within parentheses. You have to run the attributes on which you want to find the length of the attributes as length of a string from the table name you have to define. Next is concatenate city and state for the client master. You want, okay, the city and state you want to concatenate, you mix for that. So in SQL has a provision, you can concatenate to city as a string and the command is like that, concatenate. Concatenate function in SQL concatenates two or more strings together. It takes multiple string arguments and return a single string containing a concatenation of all the input string. Here I have taken example of city and state. You will concatenate, you can take a more. So what will you do? You put here. So the command syntax is like that: select, concatenate, concatenate, concat. You have to write 6 words: concat, column name from the table name. In MySQL, how you write? Select, concat, city. You want to convert to city and state. Okay, comma. Then if you will not give a blank, it will continuously it will write city name and state. So here, if you want to add some blank, so within quote double parenthesis post office, you have to give a one blank, then state, and it should be closed with parenthesis from the client master. When you will press this one, it will write a concate city, this state like Bombay, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Mumbai, Maharashtra, Bangalore, Karnataka, Mumbai, Maharashtra, or Mangalore, Karnataka. It will show like that. Okay, you can add more 2, 3 like that also within comma you can use. So we are able to concatenate 2 or more string depending on the requirement in the program you are used in MySQL. The next is convert into lowercase. Suppose you type uppercase capital letter. Suppose Ahmad you want lower. So how do you do? The lower functions returns a new string where all alphabetic characters in the input string are converted to lowercase while the non-alphabetic characters remain unchanged. This will work on only characters, non-alphabetic not work. The command syntax is select list case column name from table name. Here select like that. Select L case, L for lowercase, name you have to find on which you want name. You have to specify the attributes here from client master. When you enter, it will show L case name Evan, Barros, Mamta Majumdar, Chaya Banker, Ashwani Joshi, Hansel Kulako, and Deepak Sharma. It will convert all the character will be a small in the lowercase. Same way, if you want to uppercase, convert the name into uppercase. So here you have to write select U case, U means upper, L for lower. Column name from the table name. In MySQL, how you will type? Select U case, within parentheses you have to put the attributes name from the client master. When you will press, it will display U case name Evan Barros, Mamta Majumdar, Chaya Banker, Ashwani Joshi, Hazel Kulako, and Deepak Sharma. It will display the 6 rows. All the lowercase will be converted into uppercase. It means next is select first 3 characters from the name. Suppose you want to see 3 characters from the name. Also the command is available. This is also very good command in SQL. Depending, you can truncate depending on the requirement, you truncate the string also. The command syntax is select left column name number of characters as number of characters from the table name. You have to define select left, it starts with column name, on which column, and the number of characters, how many characters you want to select. In MySQL, you have to write select left parenthesis name comma 3. we want a 3 character from the name also. You can state from a state also, whatever attributes you want, you can put here. Here I am using name, comma 3 as first 3 characters from the client master. When you press, it will show like the first 3 characters, like that: Eva, mom, CHH, ASH, Hans, and DEE. It will show the rows, 6 rows. It will show the 6 characters from the name. So by using left. Next is replace is used to replace SQL to HTML. Suppose you want to replace some from some strings. So what you'll do, there is some command is available in MySQL. Here, select replace, then you have to put the value. In MySQL, you will type select replace, you put the value, SQL tutorial within the double quote or double post office, and then comma. If you want to know SQL will be replaced by HTML, SQL within the double quote, comma, HTML, you have to write the value. When you will press, and it will close from parenthesis also. So you have to type on the in your computer as you seen in the as you can see on the screen on the slide also. When you press, you can see like that: replace SQL tutorial and SQL HTML, the HTML tutorial. Here before was SQL tutorial, and SQL will replace the result. The first row is HTML tutorial. One row is affected. So by this command you can replace also. And next is reverse the name. Suppose you want to reverse the name. Also command is available. For that there are some standard rules, some standard syntax. So command syntax is like select reverse, REVS. You have to write full reverse within bracket name of the column. You have to specify. Then you have to specify the table name also. In MySQL, you have to type select reverse name within bracket. You have to, here I am taking the attributes name. You want to take anyone, state, city, you can. From, you have to find the table name. Here the table name, I am using a client master. When you will press, it will show like that. You can see on the screen, reverse name, CBS event, and you can see it will reverse the name also. Next is to compare to. You can compare two string, whether it is or not. It is compare if it is correct or not. It is same as not, depending on requirement. It is very helpful for comparing the two string. The command syntax is like that: select star CMP, string CMP. Compare, short form is CMP, string. You have to put the value within the parentheses as a boolean. If it is true, it will show the boolean result. If it is not, it will show the this one. So in MySQL, you write select string compare str CMP parenthesis. You have to write SQL tutorial. Okay. In double quote, you have to write SQL tutorial, comma, SQL tutorial also within comma. You have to put the value of SQL tutorial as a boolean. When you will press, it will show a 0. It means compare is correct. Both string are the same. So by that, it will show the result 0. Extract some string of length from position 5. Suppose you want to know, I want to extract a substring from 5th position. I am taking an example of database. Okay. In database, DABS a database from 6th position. No. So it will from database 5th position a base BAC only it will display like that. So here the command syntax is select substring, then call within parentheses you have to define the column name, and then you put the position from where 5th and the number of characters, how many characters you want. Okay, 3, 4, 5 characters, how many characters from 5th position. In the previous slide I've already discussed, you can take the length of a position from 3 from a starting, but here I want from 5th position I want only three substrings. Then you have to write like that. As extract a string from the table name you have to define. In MySQL, how you write, you can see on the screen. Select substring parenthesis state comma 5 and 3. 5 it means from 5th position. After 5th position it will show the result, and it will continue to search for 3 length. As extract a string from client master. So when you will press, it will show the like that. Extract a string is done. ras l blank l blank. It means also it will treat as a blank also one character. Like the name was Tamil Nadu. So Tamil TAMI for Tamil. It will start from MI, and then 7 is 6 is blank, so TLN. Ras Ata Maharashtra Ras Ata. Okay, so the state also it will show the same. So this is also very useful for writing a program. I have prepared some valuable question for your home assignment related to the lecture discussed today. These questions are designed to help solidify your understanding on the crucial SQL statement based on the discussion today. It will make a quick revision of you for this lecture. So, as a home assignment, you note down question 1. Display the product number along with their description concatenated together. Next question is display the description in uppercase letter. Next is display the product number in lowercase. Display the product number reversed. Last question is extract the first 3 characters from the description. As we in our exploration, we have navigated the intricate world of SQL statement by giving different examples. I hope you enjoyed this exploration. Thank you very much.